the last video, I installed ZZP's 2.5-inch downpipe, and after driving it around for a couple minutes, I realized it was way too raspy and droney, especially on the highway. So to combat that issue, what I did was I purchased a Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonator. Now, this resonator is a straight through design. It's a 2.5-inch. The pipes will just slip in this resonator right here, and I'll be able to just clamp it down because as of right now, I don't have a welder. So I'm just going to clamp it in, and if I really like it, I will go take it to a shop or something and have it welded. But if I don't like it, I'll be able to just unbolt the clamps and be able to clamp another resonator in. That is what I'm going to be installing today. Now, I already have the exhaust from the downpipe to the axle, or I guess it's not an axle, but I have the exhaust from the downpipe to the rear wheel unbolted, and I already have the old resonator cut off of it. I did that with a Sawzall, and as you can see, this is the resonator that came on the DNA motoring catback, which is technically supposed to be a resonator because if you look at it, it's like shaped like a resonator, but there's nothing inside of it. So that's concerning. I don't understand why they did this. It's just weird to me. I don't know why. I cut the flange off already, so I'm going to clean up this, slip it in the resonator, clean up that end, and then we can probably start clamping in the resonator. I'm excited for it, so let's get to it. My resonator is right there installed. I had to do a lot of trips to the auto parts store to get the pipe that I needed because my exhaust is actually like 2.25 inches from DNA, and I didn't realize that. I thought it was 2.5. So I got 2.5-inch exhaust clamps, but they didn't work because it's 2.25. I got a universal gasket from AutoZone, but it wasn't like the good one from ZZP, so it didn't seal very well, and it's leaking because I could see the condensation dripping out of it. I tightened it really as tight as I could, and it's still leaking. So I need to order a ZZP gasket, and then that should be good. But for now, I think the resonator being clamped in is okay, because I might just get it welded in anyway. So I think it's time to go drive around and show you guys how it sounds with the resonator, right? Right? Okay.